Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Want to sell custom products with Printify on your Ecwid store? Here's how to set it up in just a few steps. First of all, go to your Ecwid admin panel, click Apps, then App Market, then search for Printify integration. Click Install App and open it. Next, click Connect to link your existing Printify account. If you don't have one, tap Create Account and follow the setup steps. Once connected, go to Sales Channels, then Printify in your Ecwid admin. Scroll down to sync Printify products, check your store name and click Initiate Sync. Category. To enable it, go to Catalog, then Categories, then select Printify Sync and turn it on. You can edit prices, names, and categories before making products live. Assign them to existing categories if needed. When a customer places an order, Printify handles fulfillment and shipping automatically. Just check your Printify dashboard orders and click Submit Order to confirm. And that's it. Your Printify store is live on Ecwid, ready to sell and ship custom products. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.